Hi everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel. In this video, we will see how to find your YouTube channel URL link on phone. So it is very easy and simple to get your YouTube's URL, and if you would like to share it, you can also do it. So the first thing you have to do is open the YouTube app, and once the app gets open, you will be onto its home page. Now at the bottom we have different options. You have to click onto your profile icon, which is the right option. Once you click onto it, you will get into your profile. There you have to simply tap on your name. And after that, you have to click onto the three dots which is on the top right corner and then click on share. Once you do so, it will show you different options. You can click on copy link, and after that you will get your link. This will be in your clipboard. If you would like to share it to the other apps, you can also do it. Now this is your URL. You can just simply use it, share it, whatever you would like to do with that link, you can do it. So that's how you can find your YouTube channel URL link on phone. I hope you found this video helpful and informative. Make sure to subscribe the YouTube channel for more informative videos and updates, and thank you for watching the video.